Hello, and welcome to Immersive Learning Tutorials with Experizer. This is your how-to guide for creating immersive experiences for your learning content. Let's create an amazing binge watch experience. This experience presents your content in a highly engaging manner. It gives you the feel of watching a movie in a reel-like format. You can navigate using the up or down arrow keys or the mouse cursor. Excited to create this experience? You first need to log into Experizer. Go to studio.experizer.com and claim your free account today, or sign up for a subscription. From the home page, choose the binge watch experience, give it a name, and that's it. Your customization will start from here. We'll now move on to understand the steps in this process. Now, let's explore the binge watch template. This template is useful to display many different components of your subject in an all-immersive format. On the left panel, click on Place tab. Select the background theme for your experience. Next, click on the Wall tab. Further, you'll find 3 different tabs named South Wall, East Wall, and West Wall. Upload images for these walls. You can use a wall for your branding too. Now, click on Movies Frame tab. Upload an image for the main frame. A main frame is the initial and biggest image that is visible on the screen. It also includes a subtitle. You can choose to upload a collage of your video thumbnails or a poster. Next, click on Movie 1 tab. Upload your video in your movie thumbnail over here. Remember, you can write in your movie header and subheader as well as customize the colors. Similarly, customize the other tabs. Next, in the Video Setting tab, you can select whether you need to play a movie in a loop. Brand it by uploading a logo. Now, move your cursor over the left-hand side of the dashboard and click on Splash Screen. A splash screen is useful to add text that appears before your experience starts. This is the text that briefs your first-time user what to expect or how to use it. You can edit the content to give instructions to the user, as you can see on your screen right now. Use the options to customize it. Here are some quick tips. Remember to hit save at any point of your customization. Click Preview to view your experience. Click the Guide Me button as a guide. Move the cursor to understand individual areas of the experience. That's your online guide helping you out. Once you're ready with your customized experience, click the Publish tab and you're all set. You can also view the experience at any point under the My Experiences tab. This experience can be embedded easily with your existing courses or used as a micro-learning experience. If you have any questions, do write to care@experizer.com. Remember to subscribe to our channel for further updates.